remember that this entire universe is made of energy, vibration, and frequency. Remember that they build this matrix on fears for disturbing your nervous system. When your nervous system is destroyed, I'm hearing, forces can penetrate your system. Therefore, you're impacted with a lack of clarity, a lack of discernment, because your doubt based on your own fears are becoming more powerful. You giving power to the thought, to alimент this thought, but it's not your fault. 111 on the timer. Again, you are manifesting. Your body system is a technology that is manifesting when your nervous system is at rest. Theta waves, delta waves, that's how you manifest. And with all of the noise surrounding you, I'm hearing so much pollution, and it will resonate with your own situation. It became very easy to modify this natural process, which is manifestation. I am tapping into someone that had a very toxic family member, and if you watch one of my previous video, it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. Thank you for being here, by the way. You're so loved. Thank you for your support, really, and it means the world for me. Thank you for commenting also, because you guys can interact regarding your situation, and thank you for this beautiful community. Thank you for opening up. This toxic family member is having, oh my God, there is so much confirmation on my phone. Thank you, God. This person, toxic mother, toxic father, they have very, very hard time letting you go. And this cord cutting that we have done, apparently we're going to go to the next level because it was not enough. So it's involving a very, 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 very karmic, toxic bond ties relationship. You guys could have literally spent so many lifetime together, where one of you were killing the person and vice versa over and over and over again. And this special incarnation, it's breaking the bond, it's breaking the karmic pattern. It implies you become free. That's how you're manifesting 333 on the timer, manifesting number. That's how you manifesting your reality, because you're not tied up to certain patterns, and that's how you become free to receive your abundance, your inheritance. So again, why they gave me at the beginning of the video this image of resonance and waves and earths and energy, frequency, vibration, it's because you have a power within yourself maybe you do not know about. It's really coming to the surface when you're calm. It implies that you're healing, if that makes sense, because yes, this toxic situation really brought so much trouble and chaos in your life, and there is part of yourself that feel uncomfortable because, again, your system has been through a lot regarding time and space with this situation. But again, God, the Most High, is so beautiful, because your most powerful power to get rid of this situation fully resides in yourself and pops to the surface when you're calm, with your calm nervous system. I'm going to help you connect to this energy because this is very powerful. So close your eyes, please. And I'm going to call upon the cosmic dragon to cut this bond. Ara ene idi uno no te kiri ono no te kiri no yo te in yo te tinini yo te tinini yo te tinini yo te tinini yo te winara ya tara bio ono no tu deri in kuturu uwa sumatra ya setri ukra andra ikuturu uma dra ya dra yandra in kuturi indre yandra Izu oto ono oro osu waka tara it is done tikitraka zi tsachki tikipsiki ni wara yanara ya watri yana niki sere ya su ma atara ya su wa atana na su ma mama ya tara ya sere ya wakaya ya Tsara uatra nerizdan tikitri irizdan amunra yantara pukuturu no tutukuturu no tuturu ata. Emancipation. You're doing so well without this person. They cannot understand why. Why? You left them because they were so toxic. It took you a while, I'm hearing, and you can be so proud of you because it's taking so much bravery, so much courage to detach, to say stop to one person, to fully, because okay, I'm hearing they're sending jealousy and evil eye to you. They're not happy. You're building your life up again. You're feeling great without them. They just have a hard time. I'm hearing letting go. This is so beautiful. Chrome chakra. This is limited self. And again, I am tapping into someone that has a big power, extremely huge power. But I'm hearing, and that's the truth when my nose is itchy, en français, force tranquille, which is, very calm, straight. If I have to translate, it's like, you're a very calm person, or at least you can be, or you're becoming rather a very calm person. But oh my God, within you reside a very powerful force. This is huge. Oh, good. You see how these cards are same colors, and this one is the soul star chakra, and it's becoming one with the divine. You see, I'm hearing you're mastering yourself, because actually when you can be calm, when you can embody this calm nervous system, again, they cannot penetrate your soul. When you're vibrating low, this is a doorway for dark forces or any envy, jealousy, curses, exes to penetrate your system. When you bring back the calm within you, this is how you master the Zen. I'm hearing step by step, you're getting there, and you can be so proud of you because you're very patient. Also, I'm tapping you, someone very patient. Before you were not like that at all. I have the sacral chakra, and I'm tapping into this big sun. This is your power. Again, you have an immense power that resides into the calmness of your soul being, because you have tons of tools around you, and when you're calm, it's easy for you to send these tools. It could be dragons, ascended master. It could be angel. They're working for you. They just want to work with you. You can just send them to work, but it's coming from a calm place. If you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. I'm offering very powerful healing and codes. I was very happy to deliver this message and operating this process on you. Until next time, namaste.